Hi, this is Dominic for Paphos Life. I'm at Skarfos Bridge. I thought I'd go and give you a little film of the place. This lies on the Brdges River between Simou and Lysos. So I'm just making sure I don't fall down here. Now I'll stop here for a bit, because until a couple of years ago the bridge itself looked a bit in a bit of a sorry state, and the river ran behind it towards that field over there. But a couple of years ago they dug it out a bit, got rid of some of the excess mud, and they rerouted the river, so now it looks like this again, which is nice. I felt sorry for it in the past because it looked quite silly having a bridge that's right next to a river. You can see there's lots of lovely poppies around here as well. I'll get some of those in. The bridge was built by the Venetians, along with some of the more famous Venetian bridges like Skarfos and Rudia in Paphos forest, but this one has the advantage in that it's a lot easier to get to if you're staying in Paphos. You can just drive here up the B7, and when you get to the signpost for Simou, turn right, and just before Simou you turn left and drive down the hill, and it's signposted at Skarfos Bridge. That's my little tour information bit done. Now we'll just enjoy the view. There's quite a lot of water flowing still, but the Brdges reservoir hasn't actually overflowed this year, whereas the Skarfos has. Right, further along from Skarfos Bridge there's a little water tower. You can just see it from here, a water mill, sorry. You get to that by going over the bridge that's just through there and turning right. There's proper parking there as well. And between the two, you can't really see it anymore, but just in that direction, there are the remains of an old chapel or something. Right, I'll see if I can get a decent angle of the bridge from down here. Oh, it's quite warm today. The insects buzzing about. Yes, the Venetians built these bridges to help them get all their rocks and minerals that they mined up in the mountains down to the ports. There you are. And they're dotted around Cyprus. I think there's about 20 or 30 official ones. A few chances that are claiming to be that. Amazing to think how old this bridge is. Yes, if I was wearing my trekking boots and I had long trousers on, I could wade through all that undergrowth and give you a shot of... I suppose I could go this way. Bear with me. Haven't really got the shoes for that. It's called coming unprepared. What about up this way? There's a sort of track down here. Bear with me. Right, for snakes. Oh, here we go, yes. Oh, yes. It's a rocky bridge to walk across here. And here we are. A bit of history. There used to be a geocache down here somewhere, which is how we first found the bridge ourselves many years ago. I'm pretty certain it's no longer here, though I could be wrong. But even if you have no interest in old bridges, it's still worth coming here just to see a nice babbling brook and admire nature. Wobbly rocks and all, there's a lizard there. Just, no, you won't be able to see that. We used to have lots of lizards at home, but unfortunately, when you rescue 4 cats, you have to say goodbye to an awful lot of lizards. So I think I'll leave you with a nice shot of the river. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.